Hey everybody, welcome and thank you for joining me in the sidekicks for another video. So Wyatt's here right now. He's outside chasing bugs, having fun. It's a beautiful afternoon. Zena's in the house. She likes it where it's cool. We'll see if we can get her to join us in a little while. What do you think? Super excited because I have an unboxing for you. Always exciting. Can't wait to see what's inside. Natalie Attired today. My box just came. And I got an email that says that there is a surprise in every box for July. Check it out. There it is. Natalie Attired is a subscription service, subscription styling service. There is a $20 styling fee. Comes off of anything that you decide to keep. They have a fun discount structure, so you don't have to keep all to get a discount. If you keep all 5 items, you get a 30% discount. If you keep 3 or 4 items, you get a 20% discount. And then, of course, if you keep at least 1 item, you get your $20 styling fee off that item. So let's see what is inside my box. You do, of course, fill out a profile. You get a stylist. My stylist has been Renee these last few times, so we'll read her notes in just a little bit. She always writes a handwritten note, which I think is different than any of the other boxes. And I got this little card that says, "Celebrating you," and it says, "Laura, enjoy your gift, the Natalie Attired team." And that must be what is inside here. You always get an envelope to return anything you don't love and don't want to keep. And here is my bundle. Colorful. Yeah, lots of color in this one. Alright, let's get to the gift first, right? I always love a gift. Love a gift. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's a necklace. Check this out. It's a little tassel, a colorful tassel necklace. It's long. On a gold chain. If you guys can see that. It's got a little bit of sparkle to it. See if I can try it on so you guys can see it here. There, now you can see a little bit better. That's pretty. It does have little covers on it here, so the tassels didn't get messed up. All of them are covered. There we go. Very pretty. Very pretty. Nice little surprise. Alright, let's get to the bundle. First up, looks like a dress. Oh, it is. This is a pretty little wrap dress. Alright, navies, yellow, orange, red, green. Little side tie there. I always like it on, it's a wrap. That's why it's on the side. Flowy. It is lined, but it is a true wrap. That's cute. Alright, and who's this by? This is by DNA Couture. Cute. Next up, this is, they have it folded together. So 2 items folded together. They'll do that often. So it looks like a kimono and a blouse, right? Yes, first up is the sleeveless blouse by Always and Forever. Just a pretty basic sleeveless top. Has some pleats here at the top. Button details there at the neckline. And it also has the pinstriping, if you guys can see that, throughout the fabric. And then some pleats in the back as well. It's a pretty basic. And then they have this kimono over it by Coco Kelly. Love the colors in this. Purples, pinks, white, green. Isn't that pretty? Very pretty. Has regular sleeves too. They're not the really wide kimono sleeve. That's pretty. And it would also go, this kimono would also go with this other top. Check that out. In here, which is by Naked Zebra. In this very pretty blue color. Love this blue color. With the buttons down the front. Are these real? They are. Very pretty. There's the back. Oh, and it ties. I missed that until I turned it around. It ties at the bottom. Love that color. And the last item here looks like a pair of capris by Tribal Jeans. They're very soft. They have faux pockets in the front except for the coin pocket. They have stretch. They're in this very, very pretty green color. They have real pockets in the back. And they are definitely a crop, and they look like they'll be a crop on me. And they have the little notch at the bottom. Those are cute. I like those. I hope they fit. I hope they fit. So cute. Alright, what does my stylist say? Hi Laura, I hope you like the collection I chose for you. The kimono and top will look super cute with the capris. The blue top looks great with the kimono and the white shorts from our previous box. I chose a gift that will look great with the capris and the kimono. Renee. Alrighty, let's get to the try on. First outfit is the top, the white colored top with the capris and this pretty kimono with all the fun colors in it, including the color of the pants and this pretty little necklace, as well as the top. So, here's another view of this necklace. Very pretty. And I'll leave the kimono on first so you guys can see what it looks like. It's got fairly normal sleeves. It is pretty long. And I think I like the colors of it the most and the pattern. I think it'd be a very pretty swimsuit cover up. So I do like it. Although I just kept a kimono in my Trendset, and I think that's the only kimono I've kept so far this summer. But it is pretty. Here's the full outfit view before I take it off. Just let me know what you think. It's a cute outfit. Alright. Then this top is very cute. It's a basic white sleeveless top, right? It's a little bit longer in the back, shorter in the front. Has the striping through it. It's a little bit wrinkled, which might be a problem. I don't want to have to keep ironing it. I probably have something that's already cream that I can wear with this same outfit. But it's not bad. It's a cute basic, little buttons here. Cute. I can give you a little bit of a closer look of it. And then these pull-on capris. I love the color of them. I have a fuzz. But they are bunching a little bit at the knees as I move. They're riding up a little bit and bunching, which is, I don't love. I have a little bit of room at the waist, but it's not bad. I do like that they're a flat front. That's nice. I'm just not liking that they want to ride up at my calves and bunch at the knee. Otherwise, I like them. So, that might get annoying. Every time you sit, stand up, walk, move, they're probably going to do this bunching. And pulling them down probably isn't going to help a whole lot. Because as soon as you move, it's probably just going to happen again. I like the little notch on the side. That's cute. All right, let's do another outfit. So next up is this blue top. It has the pretty buttons the whole way down the front of it, and it has this tie. It is a looser fit, so I've got lots of room. It's a little bit longer in the back due to the tie, and the color is just amazing. I left the pants on because I actually like these colors together. I think they're very pretty. And I was going to try on the kimono with this as well, since it has the blue in it. I'm not sure what I think about this tie because it seems to be sticking out a little bit and adding, I feel like it adds a little bit of weight to the front of me. But I love this top because the color is just so brilliant blue. I don't know, am I crazy or is that sticking out a bit? The top is so pretty, it's silky. Otherwise, I love it. I have to keep it tied. I tried untying it, but then it just is like two tails sticking out. And then here's what it looks like with the kimono real quick, out of curiosity, since these outfits seem to go so nicely. It has the blue in it. Here's a close-up look. All right, we just have the dress. Okay, last item is this dress, which is very pretty. I love the navy. I love all the colors on it. I put on a wedge with it because it would be so cute dressed up or casual. My only problem with it is it's short. It's very short, and I'm not that tall. I'm about 5'5", so I wish it was a few inches longer. It's a very pretty dress. The fabric is nice. It is a true wrap. It is lined. It has a little bit of I suppose a little bit of a flutter, but it's actually just wrinkled here at the bottom, I guess. It almost makes it look like a little bit of a flutter hem at the bottom, doesn't it? All the way around. Here's a close-up look of it. It's such a pretty dress. On the navy, the colors stand out so vibrantly. So here's the full look again. All right, let's talk pricing. Okay, so Miss Zena has joined me. Here she is. Can you say hi to everybody? She didn't come out because my husband gave her an oversized busy bone again. This is huge for a little dog. Yes, okay. So she wants it back because I took it. All right, so first up is the flat front side detail Capri. I think this is the side detail. And I thought these were cute. They're $79. I didn't like that they were bunching at my knees. So they're maybe at the moment. But $79 is a lot. And I'm trying to figure out if I would actually reach for them knowing that they bunch at my knee, right? Probably not. I love the color though. Next is the Crepe floral dress. So I still have it on. I think this dress is so pretty. I love the vibrant colors. I wish it was like this much longer. $39. Oh, that's a good price too. It's only $39. It's a maybe, but probably no. Next up is the kimono. I thought the colors in this were so pretty. And it goes with this pretty blue, which is also going to be a maybe. Everything's a maybe. I do love the colors in this. It's a maybe for right now. It's only $39. The sleeveless drop shoulder V-neck top in cream. That's this one. It's also $39. It's probably a no because I have cream sleeveless tops. And then the blue Sleeveless button front top is $42. I love the color of this. I just felt like that tie was causing it to bunch out. I'm trying to figure out if there's something I could do here to stop that. What did you guys think? I love the color of this blue though. So pretty. $42. So everything was $238 before the discounts. Not bad for all 5 pieces. And then the necklace, of course, was the free gift for this month. I can show you that one more time. That was this little beaded and fringe necklace. I think the color in it is just beautiful. And the retail value of it, it says, is $36. So that's all my goodies. The buttons on this top are the kind that are the little hook buttons. I see one is off, so I'm just going to show you that. And that blue blouse buttons the whole way down like that. So if I kept all 5, I'd get 30% off of that, plus my $20 styling fee. Everything would be $152.60. So again, not bad for all 5 items, although I'm not keeping all 5, so I have to decide if there's at least 3 in here that I would consider keeping. Otherwise, just 1 item to get the $20, to get my $20 styling fee back. What do you guys think? All in all, the items aren't bad. I really wish this dress was just a little bit longer. I would definitely keep it for $39. That would probably be, if I was going to keep 1 item, it would be this. It does have a snap right here too. I forgot to tell you guys. So help me decide. Pick your favorite, or if you have 3. Do you have 3 items that you really liked, that you think stood out? Let me know what you thought. I would love it if you would share your favorites, hit that like button, and hang out with me for a while and hit that subscribe button. If you've already subscribed, thank you so very much. I will list all of my items down below in case you want to request any of them from your stylist. I will put my link down below as well in case you want to give Natalie Attired a try. I have been having fun with this subscription, and they do tend to be fairly reasonable in pricing lately, so I've been liking that as well. I do go back after I've decided what I'm keeping and what I'm returning, and update my description box beside each item, what I've kept and what I've returned. Hope everyone has an awesome day. Until next time, bye everybody.